Belly fat is a common problem for many people and is caused by a hormone imbalance in the body. By correcting your diet and making some simple changes to your life, you can help your body to burn belly fat as a source of energy. In today's video, we are going to share with you 10 simple and natural remedies to burn belly fat by fixing your hormones. Remedy 1. Apple cider vinegar. Drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water before each meal. This helps to strengthen your stomach and burn more body fat. This healing liquid helps to balance your blood sugars to regulate your insulin hormone for burning belly fat. Remedy 2. Intermittent fasting. Eat all of your calories in a 5-hour window during the day and fast for the remaining 19 hours drinking only water. This fixes the underlying hormone problems that caused your belly fat to form. Fasting let your body rest and digest, triggering weight loss around the stomach. Remedy 3. Potassium citrate. Consume potassium citrate or eat large leafy green salads on a daily basis. Potassium is a key mineral when it comes to weight loss. It helps to fix insulin resistance, which is the underlying cause of belly fat. Potassium is absolutely essential for long-term weight loss. Remedy 4. Shellfish. Start eating shellfish at least 3 times per week to help shrink your waistline. Clams, mussels, shrimp and crab meat are all loaded with minerals and B vitamins that support fast weight loss. These will help you to feel satisfied and reduce cravings for sugary foods. Remedy 5. Reduce carbohydrates. Foods which contain sugar and refined flour raise your insulin levels, which keeps you from burning fat. Following a low-carb diet like keto helps to rebalance this hormone so that you can tap into your belly fat for energy and burn it off faster. Remedy 6. B vitamins. Start taking a high-quality B vitamin supplement to improve your weight loss efforts. B vitamins support a healthy nervous system, helping to calm you down, make you feel peaceful and balance your hormones naturally. Remedy 7. Choline. If you have belly fat, then this also indicates that you have a fatty liver. Eat choline-rich foods like eggs to help remove fat from your liver naturally. Choline has a lipotropic effect, helping to strip away visceral fat from your liver and your internal organs. Remedy 8. HIIT. High-intensity interval training is the best form of exercise to burn off belly fat. This takes only 5 to 10 minutes a day, and involves raising your heart rate for 30 seconds and then bringing it back down and repeat here to spike your growth hormone and helps to burn body fat very quickly by boosting your metabolism. Remedy 9. Chromium. Take your chromium supplement on a daily basis to help balance your blood sugars and insulin levels. Chromium helps your body to metabolize sugar and can help you from gaining more weight around your stomach and thighs. Remedy 10. Eat healthy fats. Vegetable oils, margarine and seed oils all caused inflammation in your liver, which leads to belly fat storage. Switch these out and start loading up on extra virgin olive oil, avocados, grass-fed butter and raw coconut oil instead. These will nourish your cells with important fatty acids and help lower inflammation in your body. As you can see, there are many natural remedies that you can use to burn belly fat faster and more effectively. Following a low-carb healthy ketogenic diet is one of the best ways to achieve this. And by using the remedies we have shared with you today, try out a mixture of these remedies and see which helps you the most. We highly recommend that you start loading up on leafy green vegetables, and lightly steamed cauliflower, broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain lots of minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are used more when your body is in fat-burning mode. Minerals will not only help you to lose weight, but they will also reduce any feelings of tiredness, weakness or fatigue that usually occurs during weight loss. By following these suggestions, you can fight the underlying cause of belly fat, which is insulin resistance and a fatty liver. If you wish to learn more about weight loss, we have many videos on the ketogenic diet. Please see our suggested videos at the end. Thank you very much for watching. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.